ma'am.
Yes. Had your lunch, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. We had our lunch.
Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. Huh?
Good afternoon,
Yes.
ma'am.
All of you had the lunch, no? So be
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We
smart,
had the
sit
lunch.
straight, don't sleep. Huh? You feel sleepy, no? After lunch?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, we don't sleep
Okay.
after.
You don't sleep. You are so energetic. You don't sleep.
Ma'am, because
And-
we usually have afternoon classes.
Yes, yes. Every day you have class.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So we
In the previous period, we were explaining some
Tri-
properties of triangles, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right time.
Ma'am, the two types
Yes,
that
yes. The
angles
different types of,
according to
we
the
stopped
based on
with
their
different types of triangles, isn't it? Different types of
Ma'am,
triangles.
three
based on-
types of triangle.
Yes, yes. Different types of triangles based on sides and based on angles.
angles.
Everything is clear to you?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Just tell me, name them. No need to explain much. Atul Krishna, can you tell me what are the different types of triangles based on sides? Just name it. Then we can pass on to the next topic. That's what.
Ma'am,
Atul,
can you hear me?
different types of triangles based on
Scalene
sides.
triangle.
Scalene triangle.
Ma'am, scalene triangle.
Hmm.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. And then all the three sides are equal means Atul. Stuck. Okay, Fidel. Third one is
Ma'am, third one is equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. And based on angles also we have three different types of triangles. No, Harriet?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the three different types?
Triangle, right angle triangle, and
Yes, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and then last
Obtuse angle triangle.
Obtuse angle.
Okay, we have seen what are the types of triangles. Okay, now let us study some properties of triangles. There are some properties for the triangles. Let us see one by one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now just look at this. All of you can see the board, no?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yes, we can.
You see this properties of look. This topic is a new topic for you. You have not studied in 6th standard and all. It's new. 7th standard only you are going to study about this. Okay, we are going to study about a median. MEDIAN. Median, you know, the previous chapter we have studied what is a median.
Yes, ma'am. In data handling.
Mouse observation.
Median mode.
Mean median mode. In that median was, what was the median in that?
Ma'am, the median was observation.
Observation.
Most median
Observation, isn't it? Forget
Yes.
about it. That is median of a data. This is the median of a triangle. It is different. Okay. So let us see what is this median. Before coming to the explanation, I'll explain to you what is the median. Now listen to the board. Okay. I have drawn here. I'll draw a triangle. I'll just minimize it.
Median of
Ma'am, we should write the definition.
Wait, don't write now. I'll explain it. After that, you can study. Okay. Don't go
Okay,
for
ma'am.
copying everything. I'll send it. Don't worry, I will send it. Okay. I'll move this to one side. I'll explain to you what is a median. Then after that, we can go to the definition. Okay. Look at this. I'm drawing a triangle, children. You can see the triangle, no?
Yes,
I have
yes.
drawn-
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Okay, listen carefully. Now, 3 vertices I will draw. Three vertices. First one A, B, and C.
Ma'am, this
Okay.
is an isosceles triangle, right?
No, any triangle, this is acute angle triangle. All the triangles, all sides are almost equal, equilateral or
Ma'am,
isosceles. We
I
have to
saw
measure it.
that the
Not
degree was.
okay, about based on sides, but based on angles, it is an acute angled triangle. Okay, so let us see. We are taking a triangle. A, B, C are the three vertices of the triangle. Okay, now look at this. I am going to draw. What is this? A is a vertex. A is a vertex, and I am taking the midpoint of this opposite side. BC is the opposite side of vertex A, isn't it? Opposite side, just opposite to vertex A. I am taking the midpoint of BC. Midpoint means what? What do you know about midpoint? Middle point. That means I'll put a mark here.
center.
Ma'am, the
BD will be
center
equal
of
to
B and C.
B and C, isn't it? Exact middle point of B and C. And you know, then BD will be equal to DC, isn't it?
Yes.
Midpoint. D is the middle point means BD will be equal to DC.
DC.
Now, I'm going to draw a line from A to D, joining AD. So what I have drawn? I have drawn a line.
Diameter.
No. I have drawn a line joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side of the triangle, or opposite side of the vertex, isn't it? What did I do? I have drawn a line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. Correct?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Once again, listen carefully. I have drawn a line segment from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex. Correct?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
That line segment is known as median of a triangle.
Ma'am, so median is applicable in all the
This is
triangles.
different. This is yes. Median is applicable. We'll come to it. We'll come to it. Wait. So median. Okay, this is one median. How many vertices a triangle have, children? How many vertices?
Three.
Ma'am,
Three vertices.
Three.
So we will draw from this vertex now. This is a vertex. From here also, I can draw a median to the opposite side. Which is the opposite side of the
ma'am, BA.
B.
C? What is the opposite side of vertex C?
B.
AB,
Sorry,
or
ma'am.
BA, no problem. So I will join this point and take the midpoint of this side. Midpoint of this side, we will mark A, B, C, D is over. Next letter E. Okay, I marked the E.
Ma'am,
Any
is it
letter
like
you can mark,
symmetry
okay.
and all like in the
Any letter you can mark, no problem. So E, and then from C, I will join the point, this vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of point C. Then that is also a median. So what is the speciality of the side? Side is divided into two equal parts, no? BE is equal to
So,
CA.
ma'am, if B is opposite, then we can divide C also. C and F.
No. C is a vertex. From the vertex, I have drawn a line to the midpoint of opposite side, AB. That line, median, divides the opposite side into two equal parts, isn't it?
yes,
So we can
ma'am.
say median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. And this
Ma'am, that
line
means
segment
BC
is called,
and AC.
first learn, listen 1 minute. First you learn what is a median. After that we will learn the properties. So this is first median, median 1. Okay, median 1. Next median 2 I have drawn. Then one more median can we draw?
Yes, ma'am, by B.
From where? Which vertex?
B. B vertex.
B. From B we can draw another median.
Vertex.
Okay, this
Median.
is the opposite side of B.
Ma'am,
Opposite side.
AC.
AC is the opposite side, isn't it? So
Yes.
to AC,
Yes,
I am going to draw the third median. Third median. Okay, so median number 3.
3.
Median
Ma'am,
3.
which
Any other
letter, ma'am?
median can we draw? Any other median can we draw?
No, ma'am. Only 3.
Only three vertices are there. So
Yes.
from three vertices, three medians can be drawn in a triangle. Clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am. It's clear.
again, it meets here at the midpoint of AC. We can name it as F. So that this side is equal to AF will be equal to FC.
FC.
Line segments are divided into
Ma'am.
two equal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I even join another device?
Okay. Listen. So what is a median? Listen. What is a median? You study now what is a median. Median is a line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Clear? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, clear.
Median is a line segment joining vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, same way from how many vertices are there for a triangle?
3.
Ma'am,
Three.
3.
Triangle is having three medians. Okay, now from three vertices, three medians can be drawn. And what is the other speciality of median? Median touches the midpoint of the opposite side, isn't it? Median touches the midpoint of the opposite side. So we can say median will divide the opposite side into two equal parts, isn't it?
Yes,
See
ma'am.
here. Huh? B to F. BF is a median. BF is a median. Right? This is the midpoint of AC. That means AF will be equal to FC. Same way here, EA is equal to BE.
BE.
And same way, BD will be equal to BC.
BC.
So we can say median will cut or divide the opposite side into two equal parts.
Two equal
Okay.
parts.
Then we can, what is the definition of a median? A median of a triangle joins the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. Okay, then.
Ma'am, so we
these
can
three
write the
medians-
definition in the bold
Wait,
letters.
wait. Don't write now. Listen. Then one more thing. These medians, you can see all the three medians I have drawn here. Median 1, median 2, and median 3 drawn here come together at one point. They are concurrent. That is the word used is concurrent. Concurrent at a point, and that point is known as centroid. Centroid. That point is known as centroid. Okay. What is that point called? It is known
Ma'am,
as
centroid.
centroid. Centroid of the triangle. It is a meeting point of all the medians of a triangle. Clear? Okay. So let us come back to our definition. I'll zoom out. This is going up.
Ma'am,
1 minute. I'll take it out. Yes. What is your doubt?
ma'am, can you just explain median once more?
Yeah. Median. It is a. Now look at the definition, children. You can
Ma'am,
see
can
what
you
is
once again show that figure?
figure which I have drawn.
Yeah, ma'am. To copy
Okay.
down in the lecture.
No. Okay. I'll show it. 1 minute. Yeah. Look at this. This is the figure which I have drawn. It has become big now. Okay. Now you can see. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the figure which I have drawn. Median is a line segment joining the vertex to the opposite side, midpoint of the opposite
Ma'am,
side.
when we are putting that line means in between B and D, we are putting to a line, right?
That
to
means
show-
it is dividing into two equal parts.
Ma'am,
The two
so we
sides
have
are
to
equal.
write one, then when BE 3 like that.
You can do like that, no problem. This means the same color I have used, So that two
Ma'am,
sides
in
are
the
divided.
side figure, it was like that, so I was confused.
No problem. We can put, if you are for denoting one side, one line, second side, two lines, third side 3 lines, like that you can use, no problem. Okay, so listen children, did you understand the definition of median? We'll see the definition of median now. What is the definition? It is, huh? Who is that?
Someone is unmuted.
Muted children. Oh, everything gone. Okay, okay, it came back. Yeah, fine. So listen here, we can see what is the definition given. What is a median? Look, median for the left side triangle, which I have put tick mark. This just I have to complete it. To complete it, look at this. Yeah. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. In that A, B, C, in that D is the midpoint of the opposite side B, C. Children, and the median is starting from A, isn't it? So AD is the median. In the first figure, AD is the median. Now, what do you mean by a median? What is the definition? Okay, Anna, read it. Loudly.
Median is a line segment drawn from a vertex to the middle point of the opposite side of the vertex.
Okay. What is it? Seba, read it.
A median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex. The medians of
Yes.
the medians of a triangle are concurrent at a point. The point of concurrency is called the centroid.
Centroid of the triangle. So what do you mean by median? A median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle, vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex. The medians of a triangle are concurrent, means I told you, coming together, joining together at a point. That point is known as centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. Okay.
1 second. I'm writing.
Centroid of the triangle. Yes? I'll send it. Don't worry, I'll send it. All these definitions I can send it. But when I ask you, you should have an answer. You have to tell me from what you have understood. Children, no need to by heart anything. Okay. And in this figure, you can see from this vertex A, this vertex can be B, and this vertex can be C. From all these vertices, the lines, the medians are drawn to the midpoint of the opposite side, isn't it? Medians are drawn like this, and the concurrent point is, you can make it O or C, or not C, C is already there. O you can write, or any other letter you can use to denote the center point, and that is known as the centroid of the triangle. Okay, now tell me, yes, Ananda Krishnan, can you say what is the median of a triangle?
A median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex.
Yes. Now, can you tell me, Ameya, how many vertices are there for a triangle and how many medians can be drawn in a triangle?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
How many vertices are there in a triangle?
Ma'am, 3 words.
3 vertices. How many medians can be drawn in a triangle?
Ma'am, 3.
3 medians can be drawn. Devika, then what is the meeting point of the medians called?
I'm centroid.
Centroid of the triangle. Is it clear, all of you? What is a centroid? What is a median of a triangle? Okay. And Francis Richard, can you repeat what is a median? Francis? Francis, can you tell me what is the median of a triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the median of a triangle?
Median of a triangle?
Yes.
Median of 1 minute.
You didn't listen to others, huh? I was
Can
asking.
I say?
Yes, yes. Abhyuday George,
Can I say?
what is the median of a triangle?
Ma'am, it is a line drawn from the the upper
Vertex. Correct. Vertex of a
vertex
triangle.
to
Mm.
down.
To the
Ma'am, to the straight line to the down.
middle point of the
Middle point
opposite
of the
side. Okay.
opposite
Ananya.
side.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, children. So we were discussing about the median, isn't it? Yes. Who was speaking to me? Francis Richard. He left. Okay. It's
No, ma'am,
Ashish only.
Francis is
Hello, Ashish. You are. I'm seeing you. I think for after a long time. Can you tell me what is a median? He left. Okay. Harriet, what is a median?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Harriet.
Median is the line segment drawn from one of the vertices of the triangle to the
Louder, louder. Drawn from it. It is not clear to me.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Seba.
A triangle, the median of a triangle is a line segment drawn by a vertex to the
Drawn from
midpoint.
a vertex.
Drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex.
Opposite side of the vertex. Okay. Okay. Now, median is clear to you. Now we have to see what are altitudes of a triangle. Okay, 10 more minutes only.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, if ma'am, for the centroid, the definition we have to write the point of concurrency is
Point of concurrency of all medians. Okay.
Of
Point
all
of point of concurrency of all medians is called the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. Now let us see what do you mean by altitude? Altitude and medians. That is the heading, medians and altitudes. So what do you mean by altitude? Look at this. So this is about median we were discussing. Now what are altitudes? Next. Okay, I'll minimize it. I'll explain to you. Then we will come to this definition. Okay. Yeah. Now listen, children. All of you can see. Listen to me. Drawing a triangle. Now I have drawn a triangle. All of you can see, no? I have drawn a triangle, children. Can you see? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it too small? Is it too small?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It's visible.
Okay, it's not that small. Okay, now listen, I will draw again. Everything gone. Now, just see this one. Shapes. We'll draw a triangle in the middle. Okay, listen to me. It's a bigger one. Look at this. See now, this is vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. See it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Center. A, B, C. Now, we were discussing about median. Median, you know, from the vertex to the opposite side we used to draw to the midpoint of the opposite side. See it? But altitude, we will not draw to the midpoint of the opposite side. See, children, 1 minute. I think Listen. So we are going to draw the altitude. Altitude means from the vertex, we will draw to the opposite side itself, but it will not meet the middle point, but it will be 90 degree to the opposite side. Okay, that is the difference. Median means it will meet the midpoint of the opposite side, but it does not mean that it will be 90 degree to the opposite side. But altitudes are at 90 degree to the opposite side, that is perpendicular to the opposite side. And it doesn't mean that altitudes will meet at the midpoint. Okay. What is the difference? Median meets at the midpoint of the opposite side, but altitudes are perpendicular to the opposite side, will be at 90 degree to the opposite side. Same way, 3 vertices are there for a triangle. So we can draw another altitude from this vertex to the opposite side. This is 90 degree to the opposite side. Again, from this vertex also we can draw one more line.
Ma'am, so whenever we are writing, or we have to do it with our protractor and all to with the exact.
Protractor is not needed, scale only. So
Scale.
listen here, 90 degree altitude. Altitude is at 90 degree. You have to check with the protractor or set squares. You can draw 90 degree. Okay. So construction comes, I will explain that. Here you understand what is an altitude. So the meeting point of all the 3 altitudes are known as orthocenter. Orthocenter. Okay, have you heard this word? Orthocenter. Okay, orthocenter. That is meeting point of all the altitudes. Okay, did you understand what is an altitude, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What is meant by an altitude? A line segment joining a vertex and which is at 90 degree to the opposite side. Okay, so let us see what is the definition given.
I
for
can
this.
ask you one more time. I understand that
Altitude is nothing same as the median, but median will touch the opposite midpoint of the opposite side, but altitude will be at 90 degree to the opposite side, will be perpendicular to the opposite side. It will not be touching the midpoint of the opposite side. Median means median starts from the vertex and joins at the midpoint of the opposite side, but altitude is at 90 degree to the opposite side. Median is cannot be median may not be at 90 degree to the opposite side, but altitude will be at a 90 degree to the opposite side.
What's the
Median
definition?
orthocenter means
definition. We'll come to the definition. Listen, children. So we'll go for the definition. 1 minute. Okay. So what do you mean by this altitude? Altitude is a line segment. Same way, altitude is a line segment which joins the vertex to the opposite side, will be 90 degree to the opposite side. That is the definition. Just see what is given. Sense code. Okay, it's a median. Altitude. Altitude means what? An altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular segment. The perpendicular segment from a vertex of a line of a triangle to the opposite side. It's a perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side. That's all. So what is an altitude? It is a perpendicular from the vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the exact meaning of perpendicular?
Perpendicular. Perpendicular, you have studied in standard 6, children. This line, if it is this is a line. If I am drawing a line like this, if I am drawing a line at 90 degree, that 90 degree line is called a perpendicular.
Okay.
Okay, perpendicular means at 90 degree. Okay. Okay. So, yes, Devika, anything?
Yes, ma'am. The definition of orthocenter.
Okay. I'll tell you. And altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular segment from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side, or the line containing the opposite side. And altitude of this I will explain in the next period. There is no time. Okay. This needs some explanation. I'll give you the explanation. in the next class, that next sentence. Then what is meant by orthocenter? Orthocenter is the meeting point of, write down,
Altitude.
meeting point of the
Altitude.
Ma'am,
altitude
like
of a
orthocenter and
triangle.
the centroid is
Centroid.
same like.
No, centroid is the meeting point of median. Of a
Ma'am, but
triangle.
both are center.
Yes.
Cen-
Orthocenter is the meeting point of
Of,
altitudes of a
median,
triangle.
median.
Of triangle.
Clear?
Oh, yeah.
Orthocenter is the meeting point of altitudes of a triangle.
And centroid is
Centroid is the
of,
meeting point of medians of a
median.
triangle.
Okay.
So
Understood.
I hope all these topics are clear
Ma'am,
to
can
you.
you send this definition in the?
Definitions, okay, definitions I will send. No need to write down now. Listen to me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, yes, Geetika, Manoj, can you explain what is an altitude of a triangle? Audio problem is there, I think I cannot hear you. Okay. Okay, who will say one person? Yes, Smriti Ramesh, can you tell me? Yes.
An altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side.
Okay, to the opposite side. Yes. Ananya K. Vijesh, can you tell me what is an altitude of a triangle?
An altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side.
Okay. Vaiga, what is the meeting point of all the altitudes of a triangle called?
Orthocenter.
Orthocenter. Okay, children. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Okay. Altitudes and medians is clear to you, no? So we shall do more details. We'll see with problems and all in the next period. Okay. So let me take your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.